First thing we need to know is your name, sir.
Paulo Santana.
And you have a business of building these vehicles, is
Right.
that right?
Yeah, we are located in Pelham.
In Pelham, okay.
The business name is a PH Auto Cell.
Okay.
It's right there on the 31, close
Do you
to.
have a showroom there?
Yeah, we have a showroom there.
Okay.
Yes.
And is it loaded with Volkswagens, restored Volkswagens?
We
or what?
start bring couples we built in Brazil and
Yeah.
ship it between Buzz and Beetle.
Yeah.
And then in a couple of months we have some more in there.
Wow. So, let's talk about this. What year is this vehicle?
This is 1974.
74.
Yes, sir.
Now, when you get them, are they trash or in good shape, or what's
It's a good shape, but we do a full restoration. And then we customize a little bit, you know, for the seats inside.
Okay. Do you mind opening the door for us so we can see the
Yes.
interior? I mean, this is a beautiful interior. What do you think? Why are people attracted to these so much today? It seems like this is the hot thing to have one of these. What's the reason behind it?
We have a lot of Volkswagen, you know, people looking for and are passionate about it.
Yeah.
And then this is what we start passionate about as well, because we have a lot of good friends as well talk about those Volkswagen.
Yeah.
It's a good community. You know,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
love it.
You know a guy named Todd Prater? Do you know Todd? You ever heard of him?
I heard about it,
Yeah,
but I
he's-
don't know him.
Yeah, you need to meet him because he would. You'd have to have an emergency doctor nearby. When he saw this, he'd about faint, I think. I mean, it's so beautiful. Is this engine completely rebuilt?
It is. This is a 16cc,
Yeah.
and then we added the AC on that.
Oh
one.
my goodness,
Got
AC.
is a plus for this
Oh.
here, you know, have the AC on.
Wow. Did some of them come with AC?
No.
None. This
No.
is
This
totally.
is, yes.
Wow. This is got to be a. You know, when you're on the road, I imagine you get a lot of thumbs up.
Oh
and honks and
yeah,
stuff.
all that. Like a couple with friend and talk and ask him.
Yeah.
It's a bit fun. It's
Does your website have a website? Your
Yeah,
dealership?
we
What
do.
is that website?
it's a call. It's on the Instagram. Is you know, you get
Yeah.
the PH Auto Cell on the
Okay.
Instagram. As soon as you go on Instagram, you have the you know, all the
Yeah.
website in there as well, all the
Thanks.
cars, all that.
Okay, and I like your little logo on the great see. So, the car is for sale now? This
It is,
for sale?
sir. This one is for sale. That one's for sale. That one is more original one.
Uh-huh.
That one, it doesn't have an AC on.
No AC.
We keep on that one more. You see the rims, all that is a more original.
Yeah.
Instead of this
Okay, I
one,
see.
have a little customized on
Okay.
this one.
All right. May I ask what they would sell for? What the price is on them?
That one we asking 48,000.
48,000.
Yeah, and this one we asking 63,000.
63,000.
on this one.
It seems like a fair price for what it is.
It is like if you try build one like this
Yeah.
in the United States, you spend more than 100,000.
Yeah.
Like what we did it.
Yeah.
You know, we have everything done, everything, you know, right. For that price, it's a good price.
Yeah. Well, it's a unique. I love it. You got the top open
Got
and
the
everything.
top, yeah.
Wow.
It's fun.
That's something special.
It is.
Thank you for your time. We appreciate it so much.
Thank you so much.